Krishnam Saraf, I have secured All India Rank 9 at the CA Final level held in Jan 2021. I have also secured All India Rank 48 at the IPCC level held in May 2017. When the results were declared, I saw my marks and I immediately started crying. Like I had a kind of a mini flashback, you could say, of all the hard work that I had done, all the sleepless nights, all the sacrifices, and I could see them finally paying off. So it was a really emotional moment for me. And then I told the same to my parents. Even they started crying. A very different feeling because as a CA student, you sacrifice so much, and when you can see that you're getting the results, it's completely out of this world. Like there are no words to express that feeling. Just attending classes initially, it kind of inculcates that habit in you that you have to study at least once in a while and stay in touch with the syllabus. Secondly, we had handwritten notes for many of the subjects, so that really helped in learning and revising in a short amount of time. And thirdly is many of the concepts, when you self-study, it may not be as apparent and you may not understand it that fast. So classes really helps to reduce that time that you need to invest in understanding subjects. So that was the third thing. The first thing that I had done was finalize the materials that I would use for preparing by looking at videos online of past rankers or speaking to some of my seniors, discussing with some of the professors of what material should be followed. So the basic thought of resources was that I would consider the past material as the primary base material which I would use to understand the concepts and learning things in a summarized way. But I had also aimed that for each subject I would go through the institute study material once, mark all the extra points, extra questions or extra concepts and incorporate those in the class notes so that I have one material that I have to study and revise for the exams. So once resource is finalized, then we move to the classes phase and the articleship phase, the initial phase. During that phase, the main aim was to stay in touch with the course content. So not really putting in a lot of hours because we still have a long way to go. So whatever was done in classes, I would just go home and revise that once. So these daily revisions kept going on, and then I had got 5 months of study leave. So during this phase, I had decided that I would do 2 readings of all the subjects, and then the third reading would be on the exam day. During that revision, I had also made a list that on the last day I would go through which chapters and in what order, so that even if I'm not able to complete all of the chapters on the last day, the chapters that I leave would be those that are not very important. So as I said earlier, the handwritten notes and the explanation in class really helped in understanding the concepts and reduce the time that I had to put in self-study to understand those concepts. So there were 2 postponements. I took both of them really positively because I knew that there were quite a few things that I had left and that I couldn't cover up during my first 2 reads. So the 2 months delay gave me time to cover those things up. So motivation levels were still high and I was geared up to appear in July. But when the July exams got cancelled, I really broke down because I had been studying since so long and I just really wanted to be done with the exams and get a break. To a third person, it would seem like, okay, my attempt is May and I'm appearing in Jan, so I have plenty of time to do multiple revisions. But humanly studying the same thing over and over again is really not possible. I would much rather have given the attempt in May itself. This was actually my motivating factor, that I did not want to go and take a huge break and take the same amount of efforts again and again. So that is why I decided that this Jan attempt would be my last attempt, and I had studied for it that way. The first thing that I would like to say is that in CA exams, I believe that more than studying, it is handling the pressure and handling the nerves that will help you clear the exams. So I would say that you should never lose hope, no matter what the circumstances are. So you should have that never give up kind of attitude to clear these exams and be done with it. The second thing that I would like to say is that you should stay focused. And lastly, I would say that just take proper guidance, because in such a vast syllabus like this, you really need someone to guide you through what is to be studied, what is not important, what is important.